Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to hide your followings on TikTok. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So for example, you don't want other people to see your followings, just go ahead and watch this. So first, you want to open your TikTok app. Go to your profile by clicking the profile button on the lower right corner of your screen. After that, go ahead and click on these three little lines on the upper right corner of your screen, and then click Settings and Privacy. And then here you want to click Privacy. Then scroll down until you see Following List. Then here you want to choose Only Me. So it means that if you select Only Me, other users will only see mutual friends. And that's how you do it. I hope this video helps you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.